I love social media, and it's going to give you every answer that you have ever needed. You could look at YouTube, you could do search on TikTok, you can, do on Google, and you could do social listening on social channels. All the answers are there. Consumers are going to give you the information that you need. So I think we can move quick and fast to pull that information and make some decisions on what people are telling us. I mean, look at what Domino's did. They listened to their consumers and they said that the sauce was not good on their pizza, and they addressed it head on. They said, okay, we heard you. We're not delivering on our product. And they came out and admitted it. And they understood that information, by focus groups, but they also saw that on social media. And there's a lot of brands now that listen and say, okay, we should produce another color, or this isn't the right type of X, Y, or Z, and go in and address those things.
Is there anyone that you saw that did uh, that sort of management, that sort of almost, I guess, crisis management poorly?